Logan to hold out two by Carter to 3 water and Brian Kroll to 5. I've got 2 down, 3 hitters for Alpha Showway working on 14, 514. About 80 seconds here on the field. Logan, Carter, Mark Waters, pretty close race for that 2 spot now.
Looks like Ryan Harris.
Honestly, he can follow a good share, or even other people. The race, I mean, it's got such a wide field of view, so.
Is that the newest GoPro then?
7.
Okay. I don't even know what they're on anymore.
8. Are they that high? Yeah. I was thinking 8 or 9, but.
They just released 10 end of the year or something. GoPro.
I know when I got this one, they just getting ready to come out with the 8. I guess I've had it for a couple years, so.
You just basically get a bunch of more features with a little bit better camera and shit that you don't need anyway.
Yeah, put them on the tire over for another 5 minutes. Took them off, built them, put them on another tire over for 5 minutes. And then
broke in. That should be good.
And then I put them on my truck, and then I doped them and put them on the tire warmers. And I took them off, and it literally, I'm right here.
That's all with broken info. Which one? I had the fucking body flat. Okay.
45 minutes here. Drop from Frank County down about 11 seconds on the field now. 14, 5, 6, 8, Logan. So hold out Carter and Mark Waters here. By your closest race. That 2 spot.
S3s, I want to find 2 pair. I gave 1 pair to my son, 1 pair to me. I'm running those on the rear, and then all the yellows. It's working really well.
I tried all the yellows on Wednesday.
I didn't want to run them on the back, but they're perfect balance.
He's the one that found 4 sets.
Yeah, I got 4 that showed at my house yesterday from Australia.
I found one of because he was like, oh, Rob.
And one of these goes are going to be out front.
I found a
Like Logan's really back. Down to about 8-second gap in the leader.
Like 120.
Carter's trying to close the gap on Logan there, but it's not last there. Waters so down to 4, 3, almost 5.
You can't get them. No. And now they're going to sit there when I need tires.
Yeah.
I'm just going to go to all the hobby shops, like Larry's, by me.
They don't have them.
You already know.
And we're down to 30 seconds to go. Top laps there for Logan and Carter. Those guys racing it out. Looks like Leah's going to have a back lap there. Going to give a chance for Logan and Carter to take him down here.
Stop. Well, there goes that pro line.
And with Logan, hot lap there for him, puts in front of Leah now. Oh, looks like Logan has a bad lap that time. We'll let Zia back on top. Carter up that 2 spot now. Time has expired. Keep going to your name. Leah, you are done.
He's driving it. It won't struggle to make like trouble. He's just not enough gas fast enough.
Him, how did you?
No, awful. So he's jumping the right distance, but he's keeping it in the gas too long. He goes up because he would fall further if he was nosing down.
Looking for Sean Hunt, finish up the